Good morning, ADSV. Today we're turning your engine AJ690. All turning good. On the front, all looks good, as you can see. No damage, no broken. And on this side, all looks like so. Compressor looking good. And the windows looks like so. I didn't see any damage in the water inside. And on the top, all looks like so. On the back side, all looks good. No damage, no broken. And gearbox looking good. On this side, all looks good. Altimeter looks good, and starter as well. Underneath, all looks good, no damage, no broken. Turning your engine AJ690. Thank you.